till this and we have not simplified. Actually what I simplified is forgot to crop it, right? We discussed the continuation of this particular part. We cannot leave like this and we cannot add a power x log x and a power x because these are determinants. So we have to find its det and then we have to simplify, right? Determinant of this particular thing, a power x into log x into 2x minus 2x into log x, okay, plus a power x into 2 minus x square into 1 by x. Still if I simplify in these two, I can take 2x into log x common, a power x into log, you know this one, a power x into log a. So what I can do, I can take just this 2x common, I take 2x common, the rest a power x into log a minus log x. In these two, x and we get cancelled here in x square, x times plus 2 into a power x minus x. So this gives the answer which is nothing but f dash of x. So we can feel like, so we before instead of taking this and all, directly we can expand this. Later we can go for simplification, means later we can go for its derivative. Yeah, this is the 2 by 2 derivative, we can do in that way. But whenever we are going to 3 by 3, we get a huge expression and finding its derivative bit complicated, right? That's why we do in this particular way. And now we continue with our problems. So till 12 we discussed in yesterday's class. Next one, question number 14. Take question number 14. Second, y equal to tan inverse x whole square. 14 second, y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Prove that x square plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 whole square into d2y by dx square plus 2x into x square plus 1 dy by dx equal to 2. Okay, so we have to prove this particular part and they have given y as this one. Find first its derivative with respect to x, dy by dx, which is equal to 2 tan inverse x. It is like x power n form, but it is not x, it is tan inverse x. Again we have to find its derivative. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So what we get, 2 into tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So I have to find d2y by dx square. So second order derivative I am doing. Again differentiate with respect to x. 2 into 2 is a constant. So we have this particular part as u by v form. So we know the derivative of u by v. V 1 plus x square into u dash. So 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x derivative minus u tan inverse x into v dash 1 plus x square whole dash, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x whole divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Now the denominator will transfer left side, we get 1 plus x square whole square into d2y by dx square, which is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square gets cancelled, 1 minus tan inverse of x into 2x, right? So I can multiply this particular part, which is equal to 2 minus 2 tan inverse x into 2x. or nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4x into tan inverse x. I just cross check my answer. I need to prove this particular part, but I get in that form. I got in terms of tan inverse, which does not exist in the answer. So I have to convert the tan inverse in this form. So how can I convert? So see, in this particular part, 2 tan inverse of x can be written as 1 plus x square into dy by dx. So from this particular part, you can mention here from 1, we give an equation as 1. So we can write 2 tan inverse x as 1 plus x square into dy by dx. So my answer will become as 1 plus x square whole square into d square y by dx square equal to 2 as it is 2 minus 2x, we can put it as 2x. 2 tan inverse x can be written as 1 plus x square into dy by dx. So as per our answer, should be sent to left side. So send this one to left side, then we get 1 plus x square whole square into d2 y by dx square plus 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to 2 is what they asked us to prove. Okay. Now we shall move on to the next question. 15. Take 15. Second subdivision. 15. Second subdivision. First and second both look like same. Second subdivision contains some more constant, which is a square. So we do second one. Take 15 second. Given y equal to log of x plus root x square plus a square. Prove that x square plus a square into y2 plus x into y1 equal to 0. Okay, they have given this particular y and I need to find y2, which is nothing but second derivative of y. Already we have the clarity about these notations. So y2, I have to find y2. To find y2, first I need to find y1. Differentiate with respect to x. Just mention here. Differentiate with respect to x. Then we get y1 equal to, it is in the form log x derivative 1 by x. So x plus root over x square plus a square. But it is not x, so I have to perform its differentiation. Differentiation of x with respect to x 1 plus root over x square plus a square, which is nothing but 1 by 2 root x square plus a square into, again y into, it is not x, it is x square plus a square. So I can perform its differentiation. X square differentiation 2x, a square differentiation 0. You don't need to mention that particular part. Again you can cancel the 2 and 2, right? y1 is equal to 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square into, take LCM as root over x square plus a square, right? What we get, root over x square plus a square plus the remaining part x. So these two particular parts will get cancelled. Now we get y1 as 1 by root over x square plus a square. Now this 1 by root over x square plus a square can be written as x square plus a square to the power of minus 1 by 2. So we have to go for y2. y2 differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Mention in your class books, don't forget. So y2 will be equal to, it is in the form x to the power of n into, so minus 1 by 2 into x to the power of x square plus a square whole power n minus 1, n minus 1. So this into So y into it's not in the form x, it's like x square plus a square. So again I have to perform its differentiation. Differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of a square is 0. Now what we get? Y2. Now we are going for simplification as our convenience. So I simplify this like minus 1 by 2 into x square plus a square power minus 3 by 2. So I can rewrite it as 1 by x square plus a square whole power 3 by 2 into 2x. So 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now what we get? Y2 is equal to minus into x minus x divided by. So I got some answer, but it's not like what they asked us to prove. So from here I have to go for the conversion, like what we want our answer. We want our answer in terms of y2 and y1. Here I will get y1, I have y2. So this particular right side part I want to express in terms of in terms of y1. So how I can do it? X square plus a square whole power 3 by 2 can be written as x square plus a square whole power 1 into root over x square plus a square. So if you get doubt, I can write it as x square plus a square whole power 1 plus 1 by 2, right? A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. So x square plus a square whole power 1 by 2 is nothing but root over x square plus a square. So if I split it in that form, I get here x square plus a square into root over x square plus a square. Now I go for conversions. So I got y1 as 1 by root over x square plus a square. So this particular part can be replaced as y1. So what I get? y2 is equal to minus x into 1 by root over x square plus a square can be written as y1 divided by x square plus a square. Transfer left side, x square plus a square into y2 equal to minus x y1. Again transfer minus x y1 to left side. So we get x square plus a square into y2 plus x y1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one. 16. Take first question. 16 first question. X equal to tan of x equal to tan of 1 by a into log y. Then prove that 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square. 1 plus x square into d square y. I can call it as d2y. Both are same. dx square plus 2x minus a into dy by dx is equal to 0. So that I have to prove for that particular purpose. So I have taken this particular thing, right? Differentiate with respect to x. Then we get differentiation of x with respect to x1, tan x derivative, secant square x, but it is not x. So I am replacing that particular part. So whenever it is not x, I have to perform its differentiation. So differentiation of 1 by a is a constant. So 1 by a. Log by differentiation with respect to x. 1 by y into dy by dx. Right. So I have here ay in denominator. Just I transpose to left side, what I get? A into y equal to secant square 1 by y into log y into dy by dx into dy by dx. Now you see the secant square I can able to convert in terms of tan. So what relation we have? A secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, right? So in place of x what we have? 1 by a log y. So 1 by a log y. So if I convert in that way, I get it as 1 plus tan square 1 by a into log y, right? Tan square 1 by a into log y, but tan 1 by a into log y is nothing but equal to x. So what we get here? 1 plus tan square 1 by a into log y into dy by dx. So 1 plus tan square 1 by a into log y can be replaced as 1 plus x square into dy by dx, which is equal to a. But I want d2y by dx square. That's what I am going to do here. Differentiate again with respect to x. Now a into dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square into dy by dx derivative d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of 1 plus square. So this one is in the form of uv, so I have to differentiate with the help of uv form. So dy by dx into 1 plus x square derivative, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x, right? So I transfer this to the right side. If I transfer, what do we get? 0 is equal to 1 plus x square into d2y by dx square plus, see this a into dy by dx, if I transfer to right side, I get minus a into dy by dx. So dy by dx and dy by dx, both the terms containing dy by dx. So I can take dy by dx common. I have here 2x, and with the help of this I get minus a into dy by dx. Dy by dx I took common, so I remains minus a. Just cross-check this one with our answer. So both are same. 2x minus a into dy by dx is nothing but equal to dy by dx into 2x minus 3a. So this you want to rewrite, which will be equal to 0. Okay. Next question. Question number 17. Y equal to log of x by a plus bx. Y is equal to log of x by a plus bx whole to the power of x. Prove that x cube into y is equal to log of x by a plus bx. Prove that x cube into d2y by dx square, which is equal to x into dy by dx minus y whole square. See, in this all problems, it depends how we solve. If they have given this particular problem, we don't have a logic. If it is in this way, we have to solve in that way. Means like tips. So we have to work out all the models, and we have to choose the correct one which suits the given problem. So it has the whole to the power of x. So according to this, what we have to do? Log of a power x form or log of x to the power of x form. So we can rewrite this particular thing as y is equal to x into log of x by a plus bx. So now I have this one like a UV form. So again I cannot attempt to do it as UV form, because see, x into log of x by a plus bx, it contains the functions x into log a plus a, x by a plus bx, UV form. Again this one I have some part in terms in as a function in x. Again chain rule, if I am going to chain rule, log x derivative 1 by x, later I have to do this one by u by v form. So that's the reason what we do, we just transfer this x to the left side. So y by x is equal to log of x by a plus bx, right? So instead of going for log of x by a plus bx derivative directly, we can simplify this one as log m by n, which is equal to log m minus log n. In place of m and n, we have respectively x and a plus bx. Now you see the derivative becomes very easy. We can find the derivative of this particular function easily, right? So log x minus log of a plus bx is equal to y by x. So we simplify. Now we are going to apply differentiation on both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then what we get? So we have a y by x, which is in the form u by v. So x into dy by dx minus y into dx is 1 by x square, which is equal to log x derivative 1 by x minus log a plus bx derivative 1 by a plus bx into derivative of a plus bx, which is nothing but equal to a derivative 0 plus bx derivative b. So we can take LCM in this particular part. Then we get x into dy by dx minus y by x square is equal to a plus bx minus b into x by a plus bx into x. So actually here x square divided, if I transpose to right side, this one multiplies, right? Now what we get, bx and minus bx gets cancelled, x and square gets cancelled, we get x into dy by dx minus y is equal to a by a plus bx into x. a by a plus bx into x, which is nothing but ax by a plus bx. Now again go for the differentiation of this particular thing. What we get, if I do differentiation, x into dy by dx, which is in UV form, x into dy by dx derivative with respect to x is nothing but d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of x is 1. Now derivative of y with respect to x minus dy by dx, which is equal to, second you see this is in form u by v. V means a plus bx into u dash ax derivative a minus ax into derivative of v, a plus bx derivative, a derivative 0, bx derivative b, whole divided by a plus bx whole square. Okay, now plus dy by dx minus dy by dx gets cancelled. The rest what remains, x into d2y by dx square is equal to a into a a square plus a into b into x, abx minus abx divided by a plus bx the whole square. So these two gets cancelled. Then we can observe here a square by a plus bx whole square, which is nothing but equal to x into d2y by dx square is equal to a by a plus bx the whole square. Now we cross check the answer and what they asked us to prove. In our proof we didn't have any a and b, right? So our next work is to convert this particular part in our required form. For that I search the base. You see here I have x into dy by dx minus y is equal to ax into a plus bx. If I don't have x here, if I transfer this x to right side, this particular value will be equal to a by a plus bx. So in place of a by a plus bx, what I can substitute x into dy by dx minus y divided by x, then we get our answer. Substitute now x into d2y by dx square is equal to x into dy by dx minus y by x whole square, a by b whole power m, a power m by b power m, a x into dy by dx minus y whole square by x square transfer to left side, x into x square we get x cube into d2y by dx square, which is equal to x into dy by dx minus y whole square. Is what the answer is, what they asked us to prove. Next question, take question number 19. They asked us to prove two subdivisions, right? Take the question. The question given is, if x power m into y power n, x power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus n, prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x and d2y by dx square equal to 0. Two things they asked us to prove. Okay. You see here x to the power of m into y to the power of n is equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus n, product form, and it contains too many things. So by seeing this power forms should get what to apply. So first simplify this particular thing by applying logarithm. So if I apply logarithm, I get log x to the power of m into y to the power of n is equal to log x plus y whole to the power of m plus 1. Still if I simplify, I get m into log x plus n into log y equal to m plus n into log x plus y. Okay, so if you don't go for this one, you can apply here directly UV form, because it is not like a function to the power of function. We can get in that case also easily the answer, right? So from here, log a into b can be written as log a in log a plus log b, but it is in the form log a is log x to the power of m. That's what we get, m into log x. Right. Now do differentiate with respect to x. M is a constant, log x derivative is 1 by x, plus n is a constant, log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to m plus n into log x plus y, which is nothing but 1 by x plus y, into derivative of x plus y, 1 plus y derivative with respect to x, dy by dx. Now derivatives one side, constants other side. If I separate 1 into m plus n by x plus y become left side, then m by x minus m plus n by x plus y is equal to dy by dx into m plus n by x plus y. So if I transfer, I get minus, no? So minus n by y. I have taken dy by dx common. After transposing, I took dy by dx common. Now take LCM. X into x plus y, x plus y into m, mx plus my, minus x into m plus n, minus m into x minus mx, minus into plus n, which is nothing but minus n, be careful, minus n into x minus nx is equal to dy by dx into x plus y into y. I am taking LCM. Y into m plus n, which is nothing but my plus ny, minus nx minus ny. Now x plus y gets cancelled, plus mx minus mx gets cancelled, plus ny minus ny gets cancelled. We get my minus nx by x is equal to dy by dx into my minus nx by y. You see again, my minus nx we get cancelled. So now we get dy by dx, which is equal to, so I kept this one as it is. So where I have to transfer to left side, then we get y by x, which is the first. Again, differentiate with respect to x. Just mention the statement. D square y by dx square is equal to uv form x into dy by dx minus y into dx by dx, which is nothing but 1 by x square. Now we have dy by dx value, which is nothing but y by x. Substitute x into y by x minus y by x square. X and x gets cancelled, remains y minus y, which is nothing but 0 by something 0. So what we got, d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Next, some parametric form problems are given. Parametric form. So we shall do one of the problem from that. Take 24th one. X is equal to a into 1 plus cos t. Y equal to a into t plus sin t. Find d square y by dx square. At t equal to pi by 2. See, while doing these problems, be careful. d square y by dx square represents d by dx of dy by dt, which does not equal to d square y by dt square whole divided by d square x by dt square. So both notations are not same. We should not go for this particular way. So we have to get dy by dx. So we have to find first dy by dx. Later we should differentiate this particular dy by dx with respect to x. We should not go for d square y by dt square whole divided by d square x by dt square. Okay. Careful, make a note of this one. So first my work is to find dy by dx. For that we have learned already. For that we can take dy by dx as dy by dt by dx by dt. So I find dx by dt, which is equal to a into 1 plus 1 derivative is 0, cos t derivative minus sin t. That's all. dy by dt, which is equal to a into 1 plus derivative of t with respect to t1 plus sin t derivative cos t. I want dy by dx, which is nothing but dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Right, I got a into 1 plus cos t by minus a into sin t. A gets cancelled. So there is a possibility of simplifying this with the help of submultiple angles. 1 plus cos t can be written as 2 cos square t by 2. Sin t can be written as 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Cos t by 2 and square will get cancelled. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We get dy by dx, which is equal to cos by sin cot t by 2, and we have minus. So we get minus cot t by 2. What we get? Minus cot t by 2. Right. Now I have to find its derivative with respect to t. So t is another function. T is another variable, not a function, another variable. So this particular cos t by 2, not cos, cot t by 2, if I do differentiation, I get minus cosecant square t by 2, minus cosecant square t by 2 into differentiation of t by 2 with respect to t. If I take with respect to what we get? 1 by 2. But it is not t. So we are finding differentiation with respect to x. It is not x, it is t. So what we have to do? We have to do dt by dx. Okay? We feel this one as x. If it is not x, we have to go for its differentiation. It's t by 2. T by 2 derivative with respect to x is 1 by 2. But it is not x. It is not x. That's what again we did the differentiation with respect to x of a t. Now we know dt by dx. Actually we know dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Minus a sin t. Put it there. So we get d2y by dx square equal to minus cosec square cot t by 2, derivative of cot t by cot x minus cosecant square x. So minus into minus plus. So we get plus. So cosecant square t by 2 by 1 by 2 by 2 into dt by dx. We have a dx by dt as minus a sin t. dt by dx will be its reciprocal 1 by minus a sin t. What we get? 1 by minus a sin t. Here we made a small mistake, which is nothing but minus, as usual, cot t by cot derivative is minus cosecant. So minus into minus we get plus. So minus a sin t. This is d2y by dx square, but they asked to find d2y by dx square at t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, we have to substitute t as pi by 2. Pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 2 whole divided by 2 is nothing but pi by 4. So cosecant pi by 4 whole square by 2 into 1 by minus a into sin pi by 2. Cosecant pi by 4 root 2 whole square 2 by 2 into 1 by minus a into sin pi by 2 1. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We get the answer as d2y by dx square at t equal to pi by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. So we get minus 1 by 8. Okay, with this we have finished this particular concept. Rest of the time used for practicing for the test. Prepare properly and attempt the test.